Legal showdown. Justin Baldoni versus Blake Lively. The drama unfolds. In a fiery and confrontational move, lawyer Bryan Freedman, representing Justin Baldoni, has launched a scathing attack on Blake Lively, labeling her as an elitist manipulator trying to exploit the legal system. This heated exchange comes after Lively made a bold request to dismiss Baldoni's countersuit against her, which has been part of an increasingly tumultuous saga surrounding their recent film, It Ends With Us. Freedman, who is navigating the complex web of litigation with Lively, didn't hold back in his criticism of the actress. Lively's recent attempt to brush off the mess she created is one of the most egregious abuses of our legal system we've witnessed, he stated, emphasizing that the legal framework is meant to protect the innocent, not to be twisted by the privileged for their own benefit. He steadfastly vowed to keep Lively accountable for her actions, particularly in light of her allegations against his client involving harassment and retaliation, which he firmly disputes as false. In her initial lawsuit filed in December, Lively accused Baldoni of sexual harassment. Conversely, Baldoni fired back in January with a staggering $400 million lawsuit, claiming defamation and extortion involving Lively, her husband Ryan Reynolds, and publicist Leslie Sloan. Both parties have adamantly denied the accusations leveled against each other, setting the stage for a legal showdown that has drawn significant media attention. Lively's legal team, led by attorneys Mike Gottlieb and Ezra Hudson, has responded forcefully, arguing that Baldoni's lawsuit represents a blatant misuse of the legal system against victims who dare to speak out about workplace harassment. Lively's statement made it clear that California law protects individuals who come forward in these cases, signifying a pivotal moment in the ongoing legal battle. The tension heightened as Baldoni's legal representatives expressed their astonishment over Lively's request to shield more evidence from the public eye, pointing out her team's active engagement with the media regarding the case. In what they described as a clear contradiction, they noted that while Lively has been vocal in the press about her allegations, she now seeks to limit access to information which they argue is critical for the public to gauge the merits of her claims. The recent developments also showcased the psychological toll this legal battle has taken on Lively, as her attorneys filed a motion citing the violent threats she and her family have received following the allegations. They articulated that the exposure of sensitive materials could lead to further intimidation, urging the court to prioritize the safety and privacy of all parties involved. This highly publicized debacle has not only damaged reputations but also forced industry insiders to intervene, particularly as tensions bubbled over on the It Ends With Us set. Sony Pictures, involved in the distribution of the film, reportedly found itself mediating disputes between the parties before the legal battles escalated. As the scheduled trial approaches in March 2026, both sides remain entrenched in their positions, with Freedman and his team determined to bring Lively's alleged misconduct to light, while Lively's team fights against what they deem retaliatory litigation. The stakes are high, and the drama looks set to unfold in the courtroom, capturing the public's attention as more revelations emerge in this sensational legal clash.